Hello everyone, and since the map editor pack for ERLC has just dropped for private servers, I thought I'd give you a quick rundown on how you can use it to your advantage and essentially how it all works. If you go into your private server settings and scroll right to the bottom, there is this new addition for the map editor. This is an additional pack, so you will need to purchase this for your private server before you can use it. By pressing edit, this UI on the left of our screen pops up, and you can see I was experimenting with a layout here, but what we're going to start with is creating a new layout. You can see one is created here. We're going to give this a name. Well, I suppose we'll just call this tutorial. We'll mess around with this one. Then we'll go ahead and load this. Upon loading it, a new button pops up where we can edit props. And as you can see here, we have a comprehensive list of basically every placeable item in the game, bar one or two, I believe. And there's also some other ones. As you can see, we've got a bunch of stuff from the camping store. We can place down the tents here. We've got barrel cones from DOT, barricades from DOT as well. We've also got things like billboards for whatever reason. You can place billboards around your map. Transform Riverside into an American highway. For construction roleplays, we've got brick pallets, bus stops if you want to set up some new routes around the city. We even have scaffolding over here. So let's say we want to do some construction on the DMV. Probably not a great place to put it, blocking the doors, and it's also not touching the building, but there you go. You can place construction equipment around the map and create your own construction scenes. Now, to move or edit an object, what you're going to do is hover over it, click on it, and you can see two buttons here. We've got the move. We can move it to somewhere else. Rotate with the R key. On keyboard, on mobile, there is a button for that, and then place it down, just left click. You can delete it as well, so if you've got something selected, just press delete there. Now you can really be creative with this pack, and there's many different options for a variety of different servers. You could have different racetracks under this pack. You could have different border role plays. There's plenty of different things, or even construction role plays, camping sites, everything like that, and you don't have to worry about things despawning if people leave, and you don't have to worry about setting it up every single time you want to do an event. Now, as you can see on the left here, we can set this to auto load, and essentially what that means is every time we join this server, all of these props will automatically be here. We won't have to reload everything. An admin won't have to get on and load this manually. So that is really handy. You can unload it, obviously. You can load it back up again if you want to see it, and then you can delete it. You can also share it. So there is a code here. You can give it to other people. If you wanted to make some tracks and share it to your friends, and they can load it in their private servers, then there you go. You can do exactly that. Take this code, go back into layouts there, and input a layout code. There's plenty you can do with this pack, and I'm sure they'll keep on adding more and more props for us to use in the future. Personally, I'd love to see things like concrete highway dividers, or things like pop-up gazebos, and we could do some career fairs and events with that. So yeah, plenty of opportunity with this. Thank you to the devs for adding this feature, and I'm really excited where this leads.